These high winds are working northward. We're still getting gusts 90 to 100 miles an hour on the western edge of the eye wall here in the Tampa and St. Pete and Sarasota areas, and now getting gusts, up near 80 miles an hour like at Winter Haven. The gust to 76 at Daytona Beach, and even north of Cocoa Beach, a gust to 67. Way up here at St. Augustine, we've had a gust of 56 miles an hour, and pretty strong winds down here too that are gusting more than 60. So the storm surge continues to be pulled in, and by morning light tomorrow, we're going to see the scope of the surge that came into this area. Sarasota, Bradenton, southward to Fort Myers, Venice, and Naples. And this is tremendous rainfall coming down Orlando to Tampa. This is like flash flood emergency sort of scenario with the kind of rain we've got coming down and winds gusting, in some places more than 80 miles an hour. So it is really bad I-4 Tampa to Orlando right now. And then you go a little farther north, and thankfully the tornadic or the tornado producing storms are offshore, but it wouldn't surprise me if we even get a few tornadoes tonight in the Bahamas as this broken line of supercells moves to the east. For us, we're kind of modeling the dust from the harvest because it's all kind of happening at once here. It's very dry, it's droughty all over the Midwest and Corn Belt, and the crops are crispy, and there's just a massive amount of dust that's being trapped by high pressure. So it is going to be dusty tomorrow and dusty right into Friday and Saturday. You noticed it today, that hazy gold sky that we saw this evening. And then we have the smoke coming in from the prairie fires burning in the plains and the forest fires and the Rockies. So a little bit of this starts to get that sky a little hazy tomorrow. And then it really gets hazy on Friday. That sky pale, the sun dimmed on Friday and even into part of Saturday. And this is surface smoke. A little bit of that smoke will make its way down to the ground come Friday. This is 2:30, for example, and into Saturday. So dust and smoke mean pretty bad air quality in the coming days. 73 to 80 tomorrow. Winds turning to the east-northeast. Still elevated fire danger. A 77 in Greater Lafayette, low to mid-70s Logansport. We're pushing 80 down towards Foster and like Tab Stewart and up towards Earl Park. Smoky and hazy definitely Friday with low to mid-80s, but look at that wind. Increasing fire danger with dry air and tender dry crops and vegetation. Winds gusting 28 to 33 from the southwest and a high of 83. The record's 88, set in 1879. Low 80s Logansport, low to mid 80s from Attica out towards Pine Village, and low 80s at Rensselaer and Medaryville. So there goes Milton out of the way, and then it's mostly sunny by later on tomorrow, and it's mostly clear Friday morning in Florida. We got a little front coming in from the north. It's a strong one. Now, not much moisture, but perhaps just enough with the shear and the lift for a few little spotty storms in here Saturday evening. These will be high base storms. The cloud base is pretty high due to some dry air towards the surface. So they won't produce a lot of rain, and they'll be extremely hit or miss, but there could be a few around. Wouldn't completely rule out an isolated severe storm or two, and then look out for the chill next week. And yes, indeed, the severe cast shows kind of marginal risk parameters, perhaps making it into our area Saturday night. 83, the high on Saturday with the wind, 69, then falling on Sunday. And then you want real fall, you've got it. Look at that 54 high on Tuesday after 32 in the morning, 30 Wednesday morning, and then we're back to 70s as the fall color really ramps up later next week.